How to share Instagram Reels to WhatsApp status. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily share Instagram Reels to WhatsApp status. So first thing, just head over to your Instagram application and make sure you're currently logged into your account. So let's say I want to share this reel over here. I'll simply tap on this share icon over here and just choose the WhatsApp from your sharing option or social media option. And once you choose on the WhatsApp, you can basically choose the first option, that is my status option at the top, and you can simply tap on this green button over here. And as you can see, it's currently on status, so basically all of my contacts will be seeing this. So you can also change it to exclude someone if you don't like someone to see your status. So you can just tap on the send button over here, and just like that, you have successfully set your Instagram Reels as WhatsApp status. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.